San Agustin Church is the oldest existing church in the Philippines. It is an essential tourist destination in Manila for those who are interested in Philippine history and culture. The present structure is actually the third to stand on the site. It has 14 side chapels and a trompe-l'oeil ceiling. Up in the choir loft are the hand-carved 17th century seats made of molave, a beautiful tropical hardwood. The San Agustin Church lies inside the walled city of Intramuros, located in the capital city, Manila. It is the first European stone church to be built in the Philippines, designed in Spanish architectural structure. It also houses the legacies of the Spanish conquistadors Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, Juan de Salcedo, and Martin de Goiti, who are buried in a tomb underneath the church.
We're here now at the Intramuros.
Kuya!
Hello! Ano si Kuya? Ano mo si Kuya?
Wala naman si Kuya.
Hello!
Kuya pa. Pa-picture na tayo.
Ayan, Abi.
Mamaya pag ano.
Mamaya na ng picture.
Mamaya Kuya.
Mamaya na ng picture. Ayan, dapat
Tayo mo kami dyan
We're going to Intramuros and...
Intramuros?
And anywhere in the Intramuros will be fine.
We are entering now the Intramuros.
The old school map. Map of Intramuros, the old school. Hey, take this one. Picture.
Take this one.
Picture, the old map. Ha? Dito mo yan. Gawa pa sa kahoy man, ang hirap niyan.
Ang ang background na.
Ang hirap niyan.
Ano?
Pwede natin baguhin yan eh.
Oo nga.
Ito.
Pinagawin yung background.
Habang kinukuha tayo ng video, tayo sa Moraga Street. Nakikita niyo yung gusaling yan, lumang-luma na. Panahon pa ng ano yan, ng Spanish period.
Panahon pa ng Spanish period. Kuya!
Panahon na. Panahon na. Panahon pa. Oo, diba? Wala tayo sa gusaling.
Parang ang sarap pumasok dyan, no?
Oo. Ang kulay-pula na.
PLM, pamantasan sa likod ng Mapua. Saan yung Mapua? At sa likod yan. Yan yung likod ng Mapua.
At sa People's University. Tinawag na People's University ako.
Eh kasi halos lahat malay ko sa abas namin. Siguro ano,
Yung mga building ko, ano? Mga lumang building. Gusto kaya tayong mali. Gusto tayo nagpunta ng kapitid. Yung first year. Kaya, dun yun. La 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 la.
Recording. Okay, we're back.
We're back.
Then,
We were walking again. We're at the Knights of Columbus by Father George J. Willman. Diba? Here, Knights of Columbus. See the big names. And here at the Bistro Marinero. Wow.
George J. Willman.
sino yun?
Yan yung Father of Columbus.
Oh,
Bistro Marinero.
Maganda na sir, may tramol pa kita natin yun.
Kaya ano?
Mayan, ganda natin.
Maganda yun. Ayun o, ayun o.
Take this one, video. Wow.
Hey baby